Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video in the View into Huck's World. And yes, we got SMZ in the building and my man is doing it. Listen, I must have been gone for a while because SMZ came up with a new layout, new design, and this one looks totally awesome. I like this. All right, so the name of the watch face is called 666. Now, in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same info minus the lines. It's going to look awesome. The background is going to be in a black theme mode. And when the watch face is on, you get all the information that you would get in the AOD mode, but it looks better. Now, what you're going to get at the top, you're going to get info on floors climbed. You're going to get your date information. You're going to get the day of the week and how many weeks we are into the year. You're going to get calories burned. Now, if you look at the digital time, very nice, very legible. You get a PM stamp with animated seconds. You're going to also get your battery percentage right next to that. If you come down, you got your heart rate information. You got the step info right next to it. And you got your goal completed, which I completed only 81%. It was a little bit more of a relaxing day today, but that's okay. Now, you're going to get miles walked or ran directly at the bottom. So all in all, I like this look. I like how everything is sectioned off. I like the color theme of this too as well. But let's check out the features and functions of this watch face. If I tap right here, I can set a favorite. And if I tap on my goal completed, I can go in and check my step status info. And of course, if I tap on the battery, I'll be able to go into my recents, which is pretty cool to have. And if I tap right here, I can set another favorite. So you get plenty of favorites in which you can set all around the board. Here's another one. And if I come over and tap right here on the number, I can bring up another favorite. You got 5 to choose from in all. And if I need my heart rate information, I can just simply tap right there, bring up my heart rate status. And if I tap here again, I got another shortcut. So all in all, this is feature packed. Makes having this watch face on your wrist very convenient. But if I double tap right here, I can change the theme of this watch face. Just keep watching. Now you don't have no lines. Let's go into it some more. Not bad. I do like that look for a daytime look. Dims it down a little bit. And this is not bad. For a super casual watch face, I think this is good. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.